This call will be recorded for quality purposes.
Hey, you have reached Ayala's Cleaning. How can I help you today?
Quote.
I'd be happy to discuss pricing during your appointment. We customize our services based on your needs to ensure you're getting the best value. Could I get your name, please?
Eli Rodriguez.
Thank you, Eli. That's a wonderful name. Could I grab your phone number to stay in touch? I'll repeat it to make sure it's correct.
832-904.
Got it. Let me repeat that. 832-904. Is that correct?
Correct.
Great. Could you share your full address, including the street name and city?
259 Avenue, San Jose, California, 95127.
Thank you for that, Eli. Now, what areas of your home would you like us to focus on? Bathrooms, kitchen, or maybe something else?
Kitchen, bathroom, and patio.
Perfect. We'll focus on the kitchen, bathroom, and patio. How often do you typically need cleaning services? Weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly?
One time.
Got it, a one-time cleaning service. We offer deep cleaning, regular cleaning, move-in/move-out cleaning, and office cleaning. Which service would you like to book today?
Move out cleaning.
Great choice. I've got all the details I need. Let's get your move-out cleaning scheduled. Do you have a preferred date and time in mind?
Yes.
Awesome. When would you like us to come by for the cleaning? Whenever you're ready, just let me know the date and time that works best for you.
Sunday, March 30th, anytime.
Perfect. I've scheduled your move-out cleaning for Sunday, March 30th. You'll receive a confirmation via email or text shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
It's the price?
I understand. We'll discuss the pricing during your appointment to ensure it's tailored to your specific needs. Anything else on your mind?
No, thank you.
You're welcome, Eli. Thank you for trusting Ayala's Cleaning Services. We're excited to help make your space shine. Have an amazing day.
Bye-bye. Thank you.